How to fix Messenger delivered option on your chat is not showing on your account if you're using it on your browser or if you're using it on your PC or application. This is how you can do it. Simply go on your application manager, let it be your mobile device or let it be your PC. Go to the application manager and you can see that I don't have any option to see that my message is delivered or not. Now, how to simply fix this? Click on the setting and go to the application manager of your device. Let me just click on the application information on the left, go on install application, and in this setting simply have to search out for the messenger application. Please make sure that you have updated your app. If not, go to the Play Store or App Store and update it from there. Now on the messenger account setting, from this I will scroll to the very bottom of the screen and then click on the reset button or repair button for this application. If you use it on a phone, you can simply delete application and install it again with the latest version on your device. Thank you so much for watching this video.